Guys, welcome back to my channel. Probably have watched the other video, I don't know, but this video just almost on the same day. I was trying to shoot, badges of this video and get away with it. Okay guys, so this video has long been waiting, and this is Uncut with Nona Obi, where we talk about things that has happened, especially the ones that carried weight on the internet. We just come here, bring it here and dissect the bit. So there's this video I'm going to play for you guys and we'll talk about it.
Questions like, is she single, is she married? Now I am going to answer all your questions. I have never been married before. I'm single and I'm a single mom. Okay, the reason I'm not yet married is not because I don't like the word marriage. It's because I am taking my time and I love my space, so if I must marry anybody, it has to be a distance relationship. I don't know if there are people out there who are like me, but I don't think I'm very comfortable if I'm married to a man and every day I wake up and see you on my bed, on my space, every day. I will not be too comfortable. Sometimes I believe that distance relationship, sometimes I believe distance relationship helps to create more fun. A relationship helps to make both partners miss themselves. That's that. So lately I've been getting lots of questions like, is she single? That's why I'm not married currently, and it's not really in my dictionary right now. Let me use the word, because I'm very busy working. Maybe when the time is right I'll get married. But girls out there, don't let anybody put pressure on you. Some girls rush into marriage because there's pressure and they make mistakes, so I'm trying to take my time. I don't make mistakes because marriage is an everlasting, stuff, and I'm trying to take my time. And it might sound like a lie, but I have not had 4 good years. I haven't, and I don't even feel like it, because right now in my head it's all about work.
So guys, this is the part that tricked me, where she said she has not had sex for 4 good years and internet went basic. But before we come back to this particular thing she said, let's start from the beginning, where she said things like she prefers long distance relationship, that she doesn't think she can stay with the same man in a space together, that she feels when you guys are having long relationships, she feels that is the period you kind of have fun or things, have some little spice to your relationship or marriage or whatever it is that she's thinking. And she says something like that she feels she's not ready now to get married because she's concentrating on her work, which is a lie. That is fat lie, okay? And that is a wrong message to the young ones that are looking up to you. Shut the fuck up. You see, this are celebrities. I have problem with you guys. See, when you have that deceiving sentence, don't bring it on internet, please. Keep it to yourself. Don't come and tell us on internet, because it's not me that will not buy it. It's the ones that has chicken brain that will buy it that is my problem. So when you have that lie sentence, you already know this is a lie sentence, but you also decided to bring it on internet for us to listen to, or for these young ones to be deceived. That is where I have problem with it, okay? See, you can't tell me you're concentrating on work because you're not interested in getting married at the point. Shut the fuck up, girl. If that man comes, that perfect man you think is perfect for you, because every girl has what he or she calls perfect. So if that perfect man you think is perfect for you comes to you and sweeps off your feet, you forget that you're working and get married. Shut up. I'm not going to buy into that, okay? Yeah. Probably, I don't know what must have happened to your previous relationship, because from what I know or from what I see, you have a daughter. So you must have had a very last relationship that you didn't end well, or that you didn't love, or that is bringing so much hurt to you that made you to think that you don't need marriage now, you want to concentrate on work. I get that, okay? But that should just be something you have within you, not something you come to the internet and tell us. And now add in addition that you shouldn't allow people to pressure you. Some people are pressured, that is why they're getting married, which I basically understand. But don't put it like a sentence, like an advice. It's wrong, okay? Talking about distance and everything. See, girl, shut up again. Nobody likes a distance relationship, okay? Nobody likes a distance relationship. I think distance relationship, people that love it most, people that already had something to do with a man and it didn't end well, They already had that space, that they've already had to be with a man in the same space, and it was toxic. And they feel having a man in the same space is too toxic, and they would want to try something else, you know, living apart or having a distance relationship. Maybe that is what is going to work for them. Don't come on the internet and categorically place it like having a distant relationship is better than seeing the person physically. Girl, it's not better, okay? It's not better. I understand that things must have happened one or the other that you didn't feel is right, or that you were hot, you had toxicity close to you in your previous relationship that brought about your beautiful baby, but that doesn't make it the best. Again, back to what I said. Stop passing wrong message to the young ones. Okay, these girls are watching you. When you say this, they feel is the best. When you have this your wrong message, put it in your heart. See, nobody forced you to come on the internet and make a video and come and post. Nobody forced you. So whenever you make these wrong sentences, keep it to yourself and don't bring it on social media. Okay? So I've just started that issue, that part of long distance relationship. Long distance relationship creates a great barrier. The disadvantage is even more. The man there can be having an affair or married to another woman you don't know. The woman on the other side can be having an affair or married to another man you don't know. The woman can give birth to babies that are not even your babies. Then, it's just like scatter, scatter, scatter. Why do you think that most of these couples, or most of these therapists, or most of these rehabilitation people, or something like that, or pastors or reverends are trying their best to bring couples together to live under the same roof? Because it's kind of bring this energy that when you annoy the other person, you can't keep malice for a long time, or you can't feel another choice to look into another place because you're going to come back into the same home. So it's easier to sort out. So stop passing message to our young ones that long distance relationship is the best. So now I've talked about this, I've settled about these few things that you said that are actually not good, wrong advice for the young ones. Now let's come to the main one, which is about this video. When she said I did not have sex for 4 years, which actually blew the internet. See, I'm not saying she's lying. Trust me, I'm not saying she's lying. Everybody has their way of repentance. It's possible that she has gone celibate for 4 years, which on the comment section, it was hell. When most of these videos, when most of these clips comes up, sometimes I don't even dwell in thinking much on what the person said. I just quickly go to this comment section to go and laugh out loud, and then to go and feel myself and laugh very well. When you go to the internet, to the comment section, you're almost like, what the hell is wrong with this people? Somebody is saying her truth, but you're here in the comment section fighting and doubting somebody's truth. It's not making sense. She has said it is her truth. Believe it or not, it's your business. But my problem is, why coming to the internet to tell us? I didn't say you're lying. I believe you. You can decide to be celibate. It's not everybody that is sex. It's possible that she's not even sex kind of person, but the baby king, the beautiful baby king, yeah, everybody is not sex, okay? So it's possible that she can decide to go celibate. 100% possible. But my problem is, why come to the internet to tell us? Why come to the internet to tell us that you're celibate? You're coming to the internet to tell us 98% of people are not going to believe it. 2% that believes you is me and one other person. 98% will not believe you. Does it change anything? No. Because people will judge you from the way you look. And they now ask themselves, look at how you're looking. How you not celibate for 4 years? So your celibacy is between you and your God and whatever you're doing at that moment. Or between you and the person that is coming. Even the person that is even interested in you, that is the man that period that you think that you're celibate, does not even believe you. The person thinks you're giving to somebody else. And you now think it's when you come to the internet and tell us, we not believe you. So it's something between you and your God. You don't need to come and tell us that for 4 years you've not had marriage and you look like a child of the world. You look like a child of the world. I think that for 4 years you've not had sex. You want the internet to scatter. Well, the thing is that, do I believe her? Yes, I believe her. It's her truth. Could she be lying? Yes, it's not my business. But do I believe her? Yes, I believe her, because people can be celibate, people are not sex. They can be celibate. But coming on the internet to discuss it is where my problem is coming from. Like, we don't care if you're celibate, we don't care. We don't give a shit if you're celibate or if you're not celibate. If you're celibate, it's between you and your God. Don't come to the internet and be telling us that you're celibate. It's not our business. All those times that we are having sex, was it advisable to have sex? You're not married, you're having sex, it's still wrong. So why are you coming to tell us that you're celibate for 4 years? It means that other years of your life is in passion. So you're disgracing your family, you're disgracing your mother, your father, your siblings. Sex is not something proud that is going to be shouting that you'll be having sex when you're not married. This is not it's not a white country, this is an African country. This is an African, it is not our nature to bring that yourself as somebody that has been having sex or somebody that has been living in the world. So they will clap for you. It means for other years of your life you've been having sex and 4 years you've not been having. You see, so you're contradicting yourself. So if you're celibate, keep it to yourself and your God and whatever the mission is for your life. Okay? So guys, that's what I just came here to talk about. So just put down in the comment section what you think about it. Do you think it's necessary to come and be telling us that you're celibate or not celibate, even if it's for 2 months? Like, we don't care, we don't give a shit. We have things we're thinking of. It's not your celibacy that is our problem, because 98% will not believe you. Even the one that is chasing you not even believe you. So the truth is actually between you and your God. 32% are like, okay, it's possible. So guys, let me sit down in the comment section what you basically think about this particular video. Do you think it's making sense or it's not making sense? What do you think about it? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think about it. If it's making sense or if it's not making sense. If it's saying our truth or if it's saying our truth. If it's necessary to tell us, if it's not necessary to tell us. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.